Problem 11 AMC 10A 2005. A wooden cube with n units on the side is painted red on all 6 faces and then cut into n cube unit cubes. Exactly 1/4 of the total number of faces of the unit cubes are red. What is n? So if I draw myself a cube, since that's what the question is asking for, we can say that all the sides are n, okay? And with this, we're cutting this into n cubed unit cubes, okay? So n cubed will be the number of unit cubes that we cut this into. Exactly 1/4 of the total number of faces of the unit cubes are red. This is extremely important because this is the main bulk of the question. So exactly 1/4 of the total number of faces of the unit cubes are red. So how many faces are on n cubed cubes? Well, since each cube has 6 faces, then n cubed cubes must have 6 n cubed faces. So exactly 1/4 of the total number of faces of the unit cubes are red. So that's 6n cubed in the denominator because that's the total. But what is the numerator? The numerator is the number of faces on this exact cube. Because remember, we only painted it, the entire wooden cube, to be red on all 6 faces. So within this entire large cube before it's cut up, how many of the sides are painted red? Well, that'll be 6 since a cube has 6 sides times the surface area of each side because each side is painted red. So times n squared. And the reason why I put this in the numerator is because remember, exactly 1/4 of the total number of faces of the unit cubes are red. The only cubes that were painted red in the first place were the cubes that were exposed on the outside of the large cube. So in total, we actually only have 6 n cubed cubes that have a red painted face. And of those, within the 1/4 of the total unit cubes that's painted red must be 6n cubed. Because within each of the cut cubes, each have 6 sides. So 6 times the total cutted number of cubes gives 6n cubed, which is the number that we're taking it out of, which is present within the question. So we solve for n given this ratio. Then 6 over n squared over 6n cubed, 6 and 6 cancels. N squared can go into n cubed once, becomes 1 over n is equal to 1/4. Hence, n is equal to 4 if we take the reciprocal on both sides. And we see that answer B has 4, so we can be sure that the answer is B.